It don't take much, a little affection, and some of your time. That's all that I'm asking for. Feels like this dream will never come true.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I put on my contact lenses. So now you're going to see me pick up the contact lenses with the Twizzlers that came in the packing that I had got when I purchased them. And I'm showing you the tweezers again. And now I'm going to get the eye drops that I purchased from Dollar General. And I'm going to drop them inside of my contact lenses so that way they go on smoothly and they feel great when they're on my eyes. And I'm showing you them again here. And I'm going to go ahead and drop the drops inside of it. Like I said. And now I'm going to place it inside of my eye. And I held up one leg and held the bottom. Now I'm just moving my eye around to make sure that it get on there. And I could pretty much feel when it's there, blink my eye. Bam! Now it's in. And I'm just checking. I'm just looking around checking to make sure that it's in. And I know that it feels comfortable. And now I'm walking away to... Now I'm back. And now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my other eye. And I'm pretty much going to repeat the same process of putting the contact lens inside of my eye. I'm going to pick up my little tweezers. They're made particularly just to pick up the contact lenses so that you won't rip them or anything like that. And I'm going to go ahead and prepare my contact lens. And I think here they was a little bit dirty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean it out with my multi-purpose solution that I purchased from Family Dollar. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it inside of the case where the contact lens is. And I'm going to go ahead and pick up my tweezers again, and I'm gonna pick up my contact lens, pretty much the same procedure that I did on the last time. And pick it up. I'm going to place put it on my finger, on my pointy finger. And I'm going to, with the tweezers again, and I'm going to put some solution in like I did for the other one. Because like I said, it makes it very, very comfortable when you place it on the eye. And it makes it feel good, lasts long, keeps it from getting dry. So that's just a great little tip if you didn't already know. And here you go. You see me dropping the drop inside of it once again. Just one little drop is all you need, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to hold my eye open. One at the bottom, one at the top. Go ahead. I'm going to place it on there. It's still on my hand. Okay. I'm going to fix it. Don't worry. Put it on back in there again. And, bam. I'm going to pop it inside of my eye. Pretty much the same procedure. Roll that eye around. Find it. Find it. Find it. There we go. There we go. And bam. It's in my eye. And now, just to make sure they're in comfortable and they stay pretty moist all day, I'm just going to go ahead and drop some drops in there. Bloop. Okay. I'm going to do the other eye too. A bloop. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how I put in my contact lens. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.
Having a bad day, you know just what to say. I can show you all my thoughts and where my demons play. And you won't use them against me. You rather use them to lift me. Can you be there when I need you most? Make me feel